Eid is the festival of joy, love, and thankfulness. Hello, friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to share a short and beautiful essay on Eid ul Fitr in just 10 simple lines. Let's begin. Eid ul Fitr is a great Islamic festival celebrated by Muslims all over the world. It comes after the holy month of Ramadan. On this day, Muslims thank Allah for giving them strength to fast. People wear new clothes and offer Eid prayers in the mosque. Everyone greets each other by saying Eid Mubarak. We give money and gifts to children and the poor. Delicious dishes and sweets are prepared in every home. Families and friends visit each other with love and happiness. Eid ul Fitr teaches us unity, kindness, and thankfulness. It is truly a day of joy, peace, and celebration. Let's celebrate it Eid with love, peace, and gratitude. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational essays. See you in the next video. Bye.